What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to go over something that I do not like about my 2017 Midnight Edition Nissan Altima. I've been wanting to do 5 things I hate about this one since I've got it, but honestly, I'm not finding those 5 things without nitpicking, so I'm just not pushing too hard to actually try to get that list together. But this is the one thing that I am having an issue with. Is definitely something that's been plaguing me since first got the car. It's not anything major, still a nitpicky type of thing, but the main thing that I have an issue with is, like, let's say, especially if it's on a driveway, and let's say it's water on the windshield, and I go ahead and push it over, it always goes inside. But even when it's on a flat surface and I'm driving, just going out of the neighborhood, make a left, water comes in on one side of the window, make a right, goes in the other, and that's definitely been something that's been annoying if I have the windows down. So I've been looking into getting some type of WeatherTech visor or something like that, just to kind of assist with that, because it is pretty annoying having to wait until get to a certain distance before I actually put my windows down. So went ahead and found one. I'll throw a link to the ones that I picked up. These aren't WeatherTech, these are just a little cheap set. I'll throw a link in the description, but basically the set that I have here, it was pretty cheap. It was like $20 something, so definitely we'll see how it performs. I wasn't really huge on the look of having those type of visors on the car, but it's definitely something that's going to be functional, so I'm definitely going to give it a shot and see how it goes. I've been looking at the installation for them, and it's a few different types that you have. You have the type with the clip, you have the type that goes under, go basically under this molding, and that's the kind that I actually got. So I'll show a little bit of how to do it. I don't want to make it a boring video just showing that, but we'll definitely go ahead and do that. Before we jump into that, I did want to kind of show you what I meant. I'll go ahead and wet the windshield and then turn the wiper on. Nice and good there. Watch, I jump in here and it's not gonna do it. See? There we go. That's basically what happened. It's not a lot, because you see I did it again and it wasn't more that came in, but that's definitely something that happens and it's pretty annoying. Now when I'm actually still sitting here, just because how bad it is, I don't usually wipe it anymore. I usually just wait till I get off the driveway and then I'll do it, just so I don't have all that water coming. Either that or I don't put the windows down until after that. But still something annoying, because all the water up there will come into the car if I turn with it down as well. So that's just a little annoying, but hopefully this will help with that. Alright, now see how I was saying this was not the WeatherTech one, this was just a little knockoff one. With the WeatherTech, it actually comes in and goes under like this, and it goes all the way around. But with this one, it's not gonna work. See, it's too long to do that. But this one looks like what it does is it sits up top like that, because it fits that way, which is definitely a weird design, but it was $20, so guess can't complain too much. But yeah, I'm just gonna double check, make sure that's how this one will go. But yeah, that's what it looked like online. Alright, so looking on that website, they don't really have any information. They don't have any YouTube videos or anything, but the layout of the actual design seems like that's how they kind of wanted it. Verify this is the one for this car, but yeah, it's just a little odd that it doesn't go inside the trim like most of the other ones. But yeah, it does feel pretty sturdy for now. Still gonna work on getting it to stay down exactly, but I'm gonna put the rest of them on and go from there. But yeah, time will tell if I would even recommend these. This is actually the first set I've ever had on any vehicle, so we'll see if I even like these as a product as well as this specific product. So we'll go ahead and go from here. Alright, so here go the overall look. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not going to test it just yet. I'll let it sit for a while. I'm not going to try and put water in between it. But honestly, not too confident with this thing. Like I said, it was $20-something, so I'm not too pressed on it, but hopefully it offers a little bit better protection. But yeah, if you didn't know, shameless plug, we got the stickers. They will be in the description. Make sure you check those out. Definitely need to clean this car though. Need to clean it bad. I was struggling on which ones to go with because I was gonna go with the red, black, and white one. But then I was like, well, where would I put it? So the only place that I could think of was there, so couldn't use the black on black with the tint, so figured I'd just go with the all white. I actually tried, or was thinking about putting it here, but it looked horrible. And it was just a bad move. I almost put the stagger stance there too, but wasn't too impressed with the way they looked. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna put something there. I do have a sticker that I got from Ryan that I haven't put on the car that I really want to. Thinking about putting it there. I don't know, there or somewhere. Body panel. This area kind of was feeling pretty good. I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to do too much, but yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about what I did. Let me know if you know anything about the brand. I believe it is Svir. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Sizver or something like that. Let me know if you know about the brand, or if there's any brands you recommend. I know a lot of people probably gonna say WeatherTech, but let me know. And also if you have any either horror stories or any stories of praise of any of these visors, definitely let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for your support. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.